fucking sucked!
How dare you say that? I was the lead! How dare you!
Who are you?
I'm the ghost of the bad Hollywood special effects.
Oh no, don't hurt me! You can't find me here! And not the sheet soccer ball thing! It's horrible and this burns and I have to throw it! You okay?
No, not really.
Where are you? Don't hurt me! Show mercy!
Never!
And not the cardboard lightning ball of doom and horribleness of bad special effects! I know how to kill you!
I'm already dead, idiot.
Eat